Parents of a former high school student are suing a school district in Mississippi after a substitute teacher allegedly suggested their son be hanged. Court documents say the incident took place in April of this year at Northwest Rankin High School in Rankin County. Tony and Kayla Lindsay claimed their son, who is African American, was being harassed by a white student.
My client told the white student to back off, leave him alone, or he would lay him out.
That's when a substitute teacher who is white jumped in and allegedly said,
"That's all right, let him hit you. If he does, we will hang him."
The teacher was suspended for 2 days. Moore says his client was suspended for 3 days for returning to school to try to obtain a video from a student who recorded the incident. A spokesperson for the Rankin County School District sent Fox News a statement which reads in part, "This matter was investigated, discussed with parents, and resolved the week of April 7, 2017. The allegations in this case were taken out of context for the purpose of gain. We will defend this meritless case vigorously." Moore says his clients were offered $5,000 from the school district but refused to take the money. They will now seek compensation for their son's emotional distress in federal court. In Jackson, Mississippi, Willie James Inman, Fox News.